You're welcome to my today binary tutorial video. Please, if you're new here on my channel, do not forget to subscribe and also hit on the notification button, in order to get notified immediately I drop another video. Okay, and please note, if you are new on board.binary.com, binary.com, deriv.com binary trading, this video is for you. So please stay with me till the end and also pay attention. And also, a lot of people do come to me how to install our BinaryKiller robot. All what you're doing here is on Telegram, so you can only have access to a robot on Telegram. So this is how to install. All what you need to do is to join our Telegram group. From our Telegram group, you're gonna have access to our channel, and when you get to where the file is, all what you need, please pay attention to this very well. This is our BinaryKiller, the free version 1.2. okay, this is 100% free. So if you don't have access to it, join our Telegram group. Check the description of the video. You're going to see a link that will take you to our group. So when you right click on it, this will pop up reply, pin, and the rest of them. So this is what you need. Pay attention to this very well. Pay attention to this. Pay attention to this. This is how to store. Then this will take you to anywhere you want to load the robot. Okay, and then this is where I load my free version. Okay, so I have the robot ready there. So what I need to do is maybe to replace it. Okay, let me replace it. Okay, all right, so I have the robot there ready. So if you don't have, you don't need to replace it. All right, so all you need. So after that is done, you need to go to your browser. We recommend trading with Chrome. And then the first thing you need to do, because your network matters a lot. In order to trade on board.binary.com successfully, your network must be clear, and fast. All right, so this is what you need to do. Clear your data before anytime you want to start trading on binary.com. Make sure you clear your data, once. Anytime you want to start, maybe 2 times, 5 times a day. Anytime you want to start trading, make sure you clear your data. All right, how to do this is to go to your browser settings, and under private, make sure you mark everything here just as you see on this video. Okay, both advanced and basic. This is once a while. Anytime you want to start trading, for example, maybe if you trade in the morning and then leave the market and then you want to start trading again, you clear your data so that your browser can be fast and also avoid some loss. So this make our robot to print more profit. All right, please take note of this. It's not only with our robot, any binary robot.com robot. So after that is done, what you need to do is to go back to your page and refresh it. So pay attention very well. Refresh. So after refresh, this is gonna pop up. Is to click on no thanks. Okay, all right, you have to click on no thanks. Then after no thanks, you're going to see option log in. So this would give you access to input your email address and your password. The email address that you have on your deriv.com, binary.com, that's what you're going to put here. It's the same company, deriv.com, deriv.com, binary.com, board.binary.com is the same company. So the same email and password you have on your deriv back office, you put it here. Then after you input that, you click on login. You click on login. So please make sure you have a good internet connection before trading with any binary robot to avoid loss. Okay, so after you input here, as you can see, this is a dollars account, but on this particular account we don't have money. There's no fund on this particular money. So if you have, a lot of people have multiple accounts, like we have multiple accounts. Okay, so this is a demo account. As you see here, we have about 3 left account here. This other 2 account is where we have money. So based on this video, so we are going to do everything on a small account, on $50 account. It's a tutorial video. Okay, so we're going to do everything on a small account, $50 account. So this is what we need to do. You click on any account that you have money. If you have money on your 𝐓𝐢𝐦𝐿, dollar account, GBP account, Bitcoin, ETH, and the rest of them. So after that, you click on yes. When you click on the account that you have money, you click on yes, it's going to load. So you got to wait. Make sure your internet connection is strong before doing this. Okay, as you can see, we have about $54 here on this particular account. All right, so this the first option here, and the second option, take note of it. This is the option that you need. The second option, this is where to to click when you want to load your robot. So if you set the robot on your computer or on your Google Drive, you have to click on load. You know, if you save on your computer or drive, you click on load. So this will take you to a file manager or any place, you know. So you just go to any place, save your robot. Okay, like my own, I save my own on download. I have a folder, separate folder for a free robot. Okay, as you can see, this other one here is our premium robot, you know, monthly for our students. All right, this is the free robot, you know, so monthly for the cloud, you know, for the poor masses, you understand, you know. But nothing is free. In order to make good money, get our premium robot. Very, very important. Okay, so this is make sure everything is in place. As you see on this video, this is how to trade on binary.com app to load robot. It's not only our robot, any binary robot. This is how to load it successfully. Okay, so everything is done. As you can see here, the show blood loaded successfully, you know. So you are done. All what you need, we have already put everything in place. You have already put everything in place. So the only thing that you need to do is to put your stop loss, your staking amount. That's all. Okay, so this option, the first option is your take profit, the second option is your stop loss. Take note of this, while the third one is your stake, you know. So maybe if you are targeting, okay, maybe take profit of $100 in a day, okay, you can go ahead. And then if you are targeting $100, we recommend at least putting, you know, 80% loss, you know. I say, for example, you know, we are targeting $100, you know, and we put 80 something dollar stop loss. All right, you know, so if you are targeting $5, at least your stop loss should be maybe $4 or $3. So take note of this option here. Please note that you can trade with this without martingo, you know, but we have an option for you to put your martingo, you know. So martingo means that, you know, when the robot give you loss, you know, it would multiply, you know, and recover by the loss instantly, you know. But at the same time, it's extremely risky, you know, because it can multiply all you have and blow your account in just 1 minute. So that's why martingo is risky. Before trading with martingo, you know, make sure you understand the risks that involve. All right, with our premium robot, you are free. You are free. You can trade the binary market every day, 24 hours, with 100% rest of mind and 100% guarantee. Sure profit, just like us. Okay, so after putting your stop loss, please note that sometimes, you know, you will load the robot and you know, some of this thing would remove, you know. So this is very risky, you know, when trading on a live account. Make sure that everything is in place. So anytime this happens, maybe you mistakenly remove any of those points, you know, so what you need to do is to reload the robot again, because if you go ahead and start the robot, start trading, it might give you loss that you're supposed not to, you know. So what you do anytime this happens, you should go back and load the robot again, start over, you know. It won't take you 30 seconds or even 5 seconds to finish this. All right, so after that is done, you know, so this is where to start the robot. Okay, this is where to start your robot. Okay, so this is where to start. So this is how to trade. As you see here, the provider currency USDD is not supported. Take note of this. This account here is USDC account. This is cryptocurrency account, you know. So why the default that we put on this robot is $US account. This is a crypto account. USDC is a coin, you know, it's like dollar, you know. So all we need to do anytime this happens, maybe if you're trading on a GBP account, this is what you need to do. Go back to your robot settings, then under the robot setting you will see duration, stake, then you switch to any account that you have. If you have AUD account, GBP, Euro, Litecoin, Bitcoin, USDC, like the one that I have here, just select. Okay, for here I have our account here is USDC account. All right, so what do I need to do? I put my stake on USDC. All right, so after that is done, you go ahead and start your robot, you know. So the robot going to trade for you. So these are the steps, you know, you must put in place. And this is our first trade, you know, of the day. So we are not going to waste time, you know. We are not here to trade. The only thing, you know, the reason why we do this video, you know, is to show you how to download the robot. Okay, and also check this description of this video. We have a recommended time, you know, to trade digit market and live with profit. So thanks for your time, and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel in order to get notified anytime I post a new video. Thanks for your time.